Hello friends, welcome to my channel Avas Aditya Knowledge. Today we are going to learn about ancient time. So please subscribe my channel to get the notification of other videos. Let's start. What was the first stage of human development? Answer is hunting and fruit gathering. Which animal was pet for the first time? Answer is the dog. What metal did man invent for the first time? Answer is copper. When did man invent wheat? Answer is in Neolithic age. What was the man's means of livelihood during the Paleolithic period? Answer is hunting. What was the great invention of the Neolithic period? Answer is agriculture. When did man learn weaving? Answer is in Neolithic age. At first, what did early man learn? Answer is to make fire. What were the two things the early man afraid of? Answer is the wild animal and the season. What was the most important invention of the early man? Answer is the wheel. What was the first stage of the early man? Answer is the food gathering stage. What was the main occupation of the man of the Paleolithic age? Answer is agriculture. The ornament of what metal were used by the women in the copper and the tin? Answer is alloy of copper and tin. What were the language of ancient India? Answer is Pali and Prakriti. What was the most ancient city of India? Answer is Mohenjo-daro. What is the meaning of Mohenjo-daro? Answer is Mohenjo-daro means the mound of the dead. What is called the Indus Valley civilization nowadays? Answer is Harappan culture. What was the period of Indus Valley civilization? Answer is between 3500 BC to 1500 BC. What was the center of Indus Valley civilization? Answer is Harappa. What was the port during Indus Valley period? Answer is Lothal. What was the type of Indus Valley civilization? Answer is urban civilization. To what is related the Earth Summit Conference? Answer is to the environment. Where was the Earth Summit Conference organized? Answer is Brazil. Which award is given by UNESCO? Answer is the Kalinga Prize. Who is the founder of Golden Temple at Amritsar? Answer is Guru Arjan Dev. To which is related the Montreal Pact? Answer is environment. How many states are touching the boundary of Madhya Pradesh? Answer is 5. Who has been given the award of the Great Daughter of India? Answer is Mother Teresa on 8 November 1992. Who is the director of the TV serial Mahabharat? Answer is B.R. Chopra. Who is the director of the TV serial Ramayan? Answer is Ramanand Sagar. When was the national calendar started in India? Answer is on 22 March 1957. Which is the biggest port in India? Answer is Mumbai. Which is the biggest island in India? Answer is Greenland. Who named our country India? Answer is the Greek. Which is the highest TV tower in India? Answer is Delhi. Where is the Earth satellite station in India? Answer is Arbi. Which state's festival is Onam? Answer is Kerala. In which state was Panchayati Raj system first started? Answer is in Rajasthan. Where is Death Valley situated? Answer is in USA. When did the holiday on Sunday started in India? Answer is in 1843. Where is the floating hotel in India? Answer is in Kolkata. Which crop is called the white gold? Answer is cotton. Which is called the city of fashion? Answer is Paris. Who invented the script? Answer is Fonsen. What is Devanagari script called? Answer is Devin script. In which script was Sanskrit written before Devanagari? Answer is Brahmi script. Who was the inventor of Brahmi script? Answer is Brahmavija. From which script did the Roman script develop? Answer is Greek script. Where was paper invented for the first time? Answer is China. At first, where was art of painting invented? Answer is China. When did printing started in India? Answer is 1556 AD. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.